go. I smoke perp to the haze, smoke haze to the cheese, smoke cheese to the kush, smoke kush to the sour diesel, and I ain't feeling anything. When I roll a bomb, alright, yes sir.
We want to burn one, B. So we've been letting this dragon's breath dry for about 7 days. And yeah, now we're going to throw it in a cure jar and give it about a 3-week cure. And I just cut off the branches and threw into the mason jar. We're going to cure this for about 3 weeks just to kind of show you what that process looks like. I just literally put this in there. So we're going to go through every time I burp it, how many times I have to do it the first week, the second week, and how it tapers off about the 3rd week. But I honestly think it takes at least 3 months, not 3 weeks, to cure weed. I've held on to weed and let it mature and cure, and it does seem to get better with age. So that is 67% humidity. We are out of the range you want to be. You want to be in the 60 to 65% humidity range. So, time for the first burping. Let's just leave the lid off for about 20 minutes until we get, I like to get down to about 60, 61% humidity before I put the lid back on. And there we go, already dropping down. At 66% humidity. We come back in like about 20 minutes, put the lid back on and go from there. Alright, perfect. You're right in time for the second burping. And yeah, we'll probably keep the lid off for 20 minutes and we'll come on back for the next one. Alright, it's the next one. This is going to be a process. Keep the lid off for 20 minutes. I'll be back. Keep it posted. So, sun's about to go down. It's probably about the 4th time I've burped the jar today. Right now it's at 61% humidity. And I'll be back. It's the second day of the burp. It's early in the morning. Woke up. Humidity was at 70, 71. So I'm gonna leave the jar open for maybe like 30 minutes. Be back at you. So it's been a couple of days, and it seems that about every 4 to 6 hours I have to basically burp the jar, meaning air it out for about 20 minutes or so. Still keeps spiking up, but you know, it's a process. To make some premium stuff, you gotta do some premium things. Alright, so it is now week 2. It's early in the morning, for me at least. It's been holding at 61% humidity for at least the past 2 days. And I'm actually not going to burp it now, but I just wanted to show you how the activity slowed down. Okay, so this is like, I don't know, day 18 or something like that. Yeah, burping this bad boy. It's definitely, the frequency has calmed down tremendously. So yeah, I'll be back another burp. Alright, so this is the 3rd week. I don't know if you can see it, it's jumped up to 65. So hopefully this will be the last time I have to burp it. I like to keep it at about 62 And then I'm going to let it rest there indefinitely. So hopefully you can see here the humidity is steady at 61. What's the temp? You actually see the temp too. It's 60.9, basically 61 degrees as well. Yeah, this has been about the third week of opening and closing this jar repeatedly over and over and over again. The Dragon's Breath harvest. So this is basically what it takes to cure. Basically, pretty much got to leave the jar open the first week. The second week, it's a little more moderate. You can keep it closed. And the third week, it should be staying steady.